If you're experiencing connection errors in Rocket League, particularly Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League service status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Restart your router. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help clear any network issues that might be causing the connection error. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider troubleshooting your network. Step 5. Update network drivers. Make sure your network driver is up to date. Go to your device manager, find your network adapter, and check for any available updates. Keeping your drivers updated can help improve connectivity. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection error and get back to playing Rocket League. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.